Hello, in front of me I've got Amazon Luna. In this video we'll check if this service supports Ubisoft games. In order to check it, let's go to homepage on Amazon Luna. Scroll until we see anything from Ubisoft. As you can see, we can browse by store, and here we've got games available for purchase. If you've got games on your Ubisoft account that you've bought, or you are subscribing to Ubisoft Plus, you can simply link Ubisoft account with Luna to play them for free via cloud. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.